Hey guys, today we're gonna do a tankless water heater descale, and we're gonna go ahead and just get right to it. So here's our tankless water heater. This is a Rheem model. And this is actually pretty basic, very basic cleaning descale. What that descale does, it removes all the deposits that are inside the heat exchanger. Okay, we don't see the heat exchanger in here, but it's definitely in there. And what we're doing now is cleaning off all those hard water mineral deposits that get stuck within that heat exchanger. Okay, so here we go. So basically we have our service valves right here. This is the cold coming into the heater. This is the hot once it exits the heater and it goes into the house through this line right here. Okay, so basically what we want to do is shut this off. This is already in the off position. Okay, when it's in line with the valve, that means the water is open. When it's across from the valve, means it's turned off. So continuing again, what I've done here is I've turned off the water going into the heater, the cold side, and I've turned off the hot going out of the heater, so we don't have anything going into the house at all. So no hot water is running through the house. And we open our service valves right here, and we open our cold service valve right here. We connect this hose, which leads into this bucket with our little transfer pump. Okay, basically that picks up the water, which uses this here descale solution. This is made by Evercleanse. It's a tankless water heater descaler solution. Basically you add this in to here like so, and basically this pump pulls that water, runs it into here and into our our cold, and it goes into the heater here, which eventually all that descale goes in through the heat exchangers, which this actually has a graph of how the heat exchanger works, and all those coils get cleaned up, absolutely clean, comes back down to the hot out here through our hot service port, goes out this way and then back into our bucket. And then there, if you can see all those little deposits that are now being cleaned and flushed out from our tankless water heater. You can do this with any tankless water heater. You're supposed to do this once a year or just as needed. And this helps to prolong the life of your heater, keep that heat exchanger nice and clean, and keep that hot water working properly, and keep this all working properly all the time. So once I'm done with this, basically I'm going to go ahead and shut down my service valves here. First off, I'm gonna disconnect my pump once I'm done with all this, and then I'm gonna shut my service valves right here, shut these things off, put the caps back on onto here. That's what these guys go. These get capped off when they're not in use. And basically I'm going to take these off and then turn this water back on, open it up, and blast out anything that's left over inside of there before it enters the house. That's hot water. And I'll do that by turning this on right here, leaving this open, and then running this all inside. So guys, this is pretty simple. Once you've done these, many a times this becomes very easy to do. But if you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, and you're trying to do this on your own, I wouldn't recommend that you do this. I would just recommend that you have a professional do it. We wouldn't want anybody to risk getting shocked or something, or even just messing up the heater, or just something going wrong with this thing. So much easier if you just call a professional and have this done. It's fairly easy. It costs very little to do this, and it's better to have a professional do it and take care of it for you. But once again, this is Robert with A-Team Plumbing Services here in city of Los Angeles. We service the area of here in the greater LA County. And once again, we're just descaling this water heater here today. And basically this has been running now for almost 30 minutes. You normally want to leave this thing on for about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, or an hour. Just depends on how much scale is built up inside. And just give us a call whenever you need any tankless water heater service work here in Los Angeles, or any drain cleaning work. We do it all. Look at our website whenever you guys get a chance. It is www.ateamplumbingsquad.com. That's ateamplumbingsquad.com. Or you can give us a call at our office at 818-224-9771. 818-224-9771. We're a full service plumbing company. We do it all. We do everything from waste systems, drain cleaning, hydrojetting, to faucets, toilets, repairs, anything that has to do with the plumbing system in your house that has sewer and drainage, copper piping, water heaters, galvanized pipe repairs, gas systems and stuff, all of that. Give us a holler anytime you need us. Our team is ready 24/7 for any plumbing service in the greater Los Angeles area.